Primetime news this evening. Man sentenced to 30 years for abduction and murder of 10-month-old and her mother begs for forgiveness. National Security Minister responds to Indicom's concern for body cameras. And suspect in deadly Trenchtown shooting killed in St. Elizabeth.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, it's a Wednesday, so we will have some good news about pump prices later on. Plus, it's costing more money to ship items from the United States to Jamaica. But why? We'll hear what stakeholders have to say later in the business day.
And is there good news in sports? Well, Jermaine Brown, what's happening?
Well, actually, that is to be seen, right? Well, as you would have heard last week, TVJ Sports broke news that Elaine Thompson-Herah had parted company with her coach. Well, her camp has now confirmed that they are parted ways, and the search is on for a new coach. And get this, the Costa Cup final will be in Kingston. Not too many people are happy about that. We'll tell you more about those a bit later on.
There was such enthusiasm and then said not too many people are happy about it, but okay.
But I feel as if, as we bring in Romaine, I feel as if the entire country, they're on rain alert or rain watch. That's what is happening, Romaine.
So what's happening, Romaine?
Well, there is a severe weather alert that is in effect. The Met Office did issue an alert yesterday. We are expecting an increase in clouds, showers and thunderstorms right across the island, especially across the east and across the south starting tomorrow. That's why Andrea is doing most of her washing next week. And we're also expecting drier conditions thereafter. So on Sunday and Saturday, we're expecting it to be between mostly sunny and partly cloudy across most of the island.
I guess that doesn't qualify as good news. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, let me try to be as dramatic as Jermaine. We're asking, what's your reaction to news that the two-time, you should probably read this, two-time double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah is on the hunt for a new coach.
I am expecting a lot of responses. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.